How turmeric milk, especially its active part called curcumin, can potentially help lower blood sugar levels. So, let's dive right in. Ever wondered if a simple drink could help manage your blood sugar levels? Welcome to the world of turmeric milk, where the magic of turmeric might just surprise you. Turmeric milk, often referred to as golden milk, contains turmeric, which is known for its potential to help manage blood sugar levels. While it may not be a standalone treatment for diabetes, there is evidence to suggest that turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, could have a positive impact on blood sugar control. Here's how. Number 1. Improved insulin sensitivity. Curcumin has been shown in some studies to enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity means that your cells are better able to take in glucose from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of hyperglycemia, high blood sugar. In a study published in the journal Diabetes Care, researchers conducted a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial involving 240 people with type 2 diabetes. They found that participants who received a curcumin supplement for 9 months experienced significant improvements in insulin sensitivity compared to those who received a placebo. This suggests that curcumin may enhance the body's ability to respond to insulin, allowing better blood sugar control. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can contribute to insulin resistance, a condition where your body's cells do not respond effectively to insulin. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory properties, and by reducing inflammation, it may help improve insulin sensitivity. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that curcumin supplementation reduced several markers of inflammation in individuals with metabolic syndrome, a condition often associated with insulin resistance. Number 3. Protection of pancreatic beta cells. The pancreas contains insulin-producing beta cells. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to protect these beta cells from damage and enhance their function, aiding in the production and release of insulin. Research published in the journal Phytotherapy Research suggests that curcumin may protect these beta cells from oxidative stress, which can damage them. By preserving the function of these cells, curcumin may help maintain healthy insulin production. Number 4. Lowering blood glucose levels. Some research suggests that curcumin may lower blood glucose levels directly by reducing the production of glucose in the liver and increasing glucose uptake in muscle cells. In a study published in Diabetes Care, participants with type 2 diabetes who took curcumin capsules experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood glucose levels compared to those who took a placebo. This suggests that curcumin may play a role in lowering blood sugar by affecting glucose metabolism. Number 5. Reduced risk of complications. Better blood sugar control can reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as cardiovascular disease and nerve damage. Better blood sugar control can have a positive impact on reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. For instance, maintaining target blood sugar levels can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Improved blood sugar management can also help prevent nerve damage, neuropathy, and kidney problems, which are common complications of uncontrolled diabetes. While these potential benefits are promising, it's important to note that turmeric milk alone is not a substitute for medical treatment for diabetes. It can be considered as part of a holistic approach to managing blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are at risk of developing it, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to create a comprehensive plan. That includes dietary choices, physical activity, medication, if prescribed, and regular monitoring of blood sugar levels. Additionally, individual responses to turmeric and curcumin can vary. So it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels closely and discuss the use of turmeric or curcumin supplements with your healthcare provider. to ensure they are safe and appropriate for your specific situation. Like the video. Thumbs up please.